Welcome back. We are continuing our practical applications in Autodesk Inventor, and this is exercise number 2, part B. What are we doing? We are going to learn how to create these 2D drawing. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick one, especially those of you who are in my STEM 3. This is going to be indeed a refresher. We learned how to do this last year. All right, so we gotta place these different views, add dimensions, edit dimension styles, add text, and yeah, fill out the title block information. Like with the title, the iPhone, the company, and all that jazz. Okay, what is it gonna do? That's pretty much it, really. All right, let's go ahead and jump into Autodesk Inventor and learn how to do that. Here we are in Inventor. You should have finished part A already. If you haven't finished part A, you need to do that first. All right, so if you did, let's go ahead and go to File, select New, make sure we are in metric. These are in different Inventor file types. We already familiar with IPT, that's for single parts. Assemblies, we haven't used much assemblies yet, but we're going to learn how to make assemblies. Presentation, we will learn how to do presentations. Presentation is when you create like a video of your drawing. Usually it's better to do this when you have assemblies. And we are now looking at drawings. What's the file extension for drawing? DWG. So go ahead and select anc.dwg and then create. Boom. A drawing is there. What's the size? All right, I think this is the first exam question. What's the size of your drawing? If you look in your title block, it tells you. Okay, size D. If you don't have size D, you can edit it, left click, select whatever size you want to use. For D, for this drawing, size D is fine. It may be even too big, but it's gonna do. All right. How do we place a view? Anybody remember? Yes. Top left corner, best view. There we are. We got our first view in. Look, we can use the view cube. You can, like you do in the 3D, you can rotate it, see different views. Yeah, maybe on the right view, back. Just select home. Okay, let's see front view. Okay, let's keep our style to shaded. And our view identifier is gonna be what? Front view. Okay. On what scale? Inventor thinks one is a scale of 1 is fine, but the size of the drawing is too big, so let's go ahead and do maybe 2. 2 is gonna look bigger, larger. Okay. All right. Can we edit our label styles? Absolutely. Absolutely. Alright, so I did it again. I tend to so click that pencil looking symbol and then edit view labels. Make sure you select it, left click to select it, left click and drag to select it. I can change the text height, maybe this is gonna do 6. Font type Arial black, if you like Arial black. Alright, maybe you want to change to a different color. I love blue. Blue is probably my favorite color. Make it bold, underline it, why not? Okay. Alright, now most of you forget to do this part. Make sure to toggle label visibility on. Turn your lights on. Okay? If you don't, it's not gonna show up. You're gonna, hey, where are my text? Alright, so make sure you turn that on. And boom. That is our first view. Our first view. Go ahead and place another view. This time, let's go ahead and rotate and see a back view. Alright, that's a back view. Now, what side do we need? Let's do hidden, hidden line removed. Scale 2 to 1, view identifier, back view. Okay? Back view, do you want to see it? Sure. Do you want to edit it? Sure. Area black. Hey, be creative. Explore all these different fonts that are there. There are like a zillion of them. Find the one that you like. Okay. What's the text height? 6. What colors? Yeah, blue. Usually, out of these label styles, the company you won't be working for will tell you what styles they use. Sometimes is the client specific. They kind of will let you know what they wanted, but most of the time, the company has like standard styles. Okay. All right. Maybe we forgot to underline it. Keep it consistent. Underline it. So you're gonna have to select it. Any change you wanna make sure you underline. You select it first. Okay. All right. Now we can. Now if you left click. No, actually, no left click. If you hover your mouse around your view, you're gonna see a border of red dotted line. You can allow it to move it anywhere you want. Look at that. Alright, move it over there. Okay. That's it. So we got 2 views. What else can we do? We can do projected views. Next to base, projected views. Select that. Go ahead, select, cancel that. You know what? Go ahead, left click to select your view. And then next to base, there's projected view. And select that. So that's gonna give you our left view. It's gonna project our left view. If you go down, gives you back view. Then right click, make sure you select create. Okay. Alright. That's it. We got back, bottom view, left view, front, and back view. What else can we do? Maybe one more. Let's add one more. Which one? Right view. Right view. Right. Right view, okay? Let's move it closer to here. Okay. What's the view identifier? Let's code it side view. Side view. Wow. Okay, do you want to see our labels? Absolutely. Can we make them look pretty? Sure. Arial black. I like Arial black. Do what you want to do. Express your creativity. Express your true colors. Maybe not. Alright. Oh, yeah, guess what? I forgot to underline it. Edit. Alright. Underline it. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we got our views, side views. You don't necessarily have to show the scale because, if you show a scale on one view, if they're the same, no need to show scale on every single view. The same. So Common sense, I suppose. Common sense nowadays is too expensive. Huh? No, no common sense. Um, Anybody read Thomas Paine? If you read Thomas Paine, comment, comment in comment below if you have read Thomas Paine, Common Sense. All rights of man. Oh, you guys take history. I forgot some of you take history. All right. What can we do? So those are the views. Maybe we wanna add now. So if we wanna add labels to this view, all I'm doing, I'm just moving my mouse around the view. Anytime you see the border, usually red dotted line, double click on it and takes you to editing style. So we can make the label, the view identifier visible, and then we can change it. We don't need to show the scale because it's the same. Delete that. Okay, and then bam, 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 bam. All right. What's let's have a font type. Arial black. Boom. What color? Blue, blue, blue. I love you, blue. I will never break up with you. Alright. Alright. That's not what we wanted. Okay, double click on that. Select the view itself and make that a bottom view. Bottom. Alright. Done. Our views are in the view. The view. Anybody watch the view? I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. Okay. What can we do? What is the missing? Alright, so that's how you place views. Feel free to add more views if you want. But that's gonna do for now. Let's go ahead and add dimensions. Annotate. Alright. I'll go to annotate tab, dimension tool. Okay. Dimension tool, and then go ahead add some dimensions. Let's select this guy. Inventor, what are you doing? Why? I got the end of dimension. And there you go. That's the radius. That is the radius. Alright, so we got the dimension, and what else can we do? Alright, that's the radius. Maybe we want to know how long is this font. About 146.6. Okay, wait, how wide? How wide? Anybody can fact check us? Fact check me. Fact check me. Alright. Alright. So we can do, that's dimension, my friends, just dimension tool. Add any dimensions you need to see. Remember, you cannot change your dimensions in 2D drawing. If you want to change your dimensions, you have to go to your model and change your dimensions in here. Okay? Maybe you want to edit your sketch. I don't know which one. Okay, yeah, if I change this to probably, let's do 20, double it, and finish sketch. Now what do you think is gonna happen with DWG? 20, ugly. Ooh, who would do that? Let's go back, fix. Anywho, that's how you can change the dimensions. You cannot change your dimensions in your 2D drawings, so you know. Okay, it's back to being beautiful. Okay, that's am I gonna add all of them? No, I'm not gonna add all of them. That way you need something to do. You need to do your work. You need to do your work. Alright, So that's that there. You're gonna do the rest. I'm just showing you how to use the tool. And all right, there's one more thing we need to show you. On your test, they may ask you to place a center line or create a center line between these two circles or these two cameras. All right, how we do that? You are still in Annotate tab, and center line is this one. Okay. All right, it tells you if you just hold my mouse around it, it tells you what it does. Press the center line at midpoint to align the center points of arcs or circles. What does this one do? Creates a center line bisecting two edges, bisectrice. Center mark. We'll mark the center. All right, so let's kind of select center line and what's going on? All right, find the center and left. All right, let me do that again. Select center line, find the center. How do we know the center? Green dot. Awesome. Awesome. All right, left click again and then right click to clear. If you forget to right click and clear, it's not gonna work. Okay, let me do one more here. Okay, left click and then go up, left click again, right click, create. Okay, cancel that up. I already did it, but I want you to be able to do it. All right, know how to do that. I counted. That way you can do it. Awesome. Awesome. What is there to do? So dimensions, go ahead, add all the dimensions you need. I'm not gonna add all of them, so you need to practice. Practice makes you stronger. Practice makes you better. Practice makes you awesome. Practice makes you unbeatable. Practice makes you unstoppable. Who knows? What else does practice makes you? Alright, let me know. Okay, that's about dimensions. But also, so that's, I gave you one exam question. I gave you another exam question that I ask you. How about I give you one more because I'm so generous. They may say, hey, what's the radius of this corner to 5 decimal places? What? How? All right. Left click to select it, and ladies and gentlemen, edit dimension styles. Edit your dimension styles. There's precision. Change precision to, I don't know. What if we change to that 5? Select 5. 7 across. Whoa, it's still 0. Or sometimes it may just be rounding to a different number. But yeah, so that's how you do it. I'm gonna edit dimension styles one more time. And this time I'm gonna do one. Go ahead and do 1.1. Yeah, 1 decimal place. 1 decimal places. Okay. All right, that's the dimension side. What can you do? You can maybe actually let me go ahead and place one more. So the importance of having a center line, since these are aligned, all you have to do is just dimension 1. Voila. Now, because we don't have to dimension this, it's the same point. It's the same point, same distance. Okay, that is one of the application of having a center line. Plus, yeah, so you can see symmetry. All right, where is it there? So let's go back to editing our dimension styles. I'm gonna show one more thing. You can edit your dimension styles. Let's say you want your dimension lines to look different, have different color. Select a different color. Maybe you want a pink. Let's see. 7, is that pink? Pinkish. Not quite red. Alright. So if you want your dimensions, your text dimension to have different color, you can do that. If you want to change your text color, go to text, edit your maybe I went too fast. Area black maybe. What do 3.25 looks fine. What color do you want to use? Maybe use well, it's gonna look good with pink. Okay. Alright, man, that's it. Look at that. Alright, so you feel free to experiment with that. That's how you do it. So you're gonna do the rest of the dimensions. I was just gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to do it so you can practice. Alright. What else do we need to do? What is there to do? Oh, text. How do we add text? Sometimes you need to add more information so that the engineers or your client, I forgot to tell you how I did that. So top in your menu, tool menu, find the A letter with text on it. It's gonna have to type in text you want. Yeah, Autodesk Inventor, practical applications, test. What? Alright, what are we doing? iPhone 15 Pro. I'm gonna have you do your own phone next time. iPhone 15 Pro. And we'll learn blah. You get the idea. Just now, can you customize this? Yes. Maybe you want the height to be 6. Make it bold. Maybe not bold. We don't want it bold. That's too. All right. Color, change color. Light pink. Who knows? Just show your creativity. Okay. Blue, maybe. Okay. What else? All right. So you're gonna feed out the rest of the text, but that's how you add text. Oh, one more thing. All right. Let's say we want to know who the designer was. Who QA stands for quality assurance. I think the manufacturer. I don't remember what MFG stands for. Anybody remember what MFG stands for? Approved. So the engineer who approved it, the company you work for, the title. What is it? What is that you making? All right. How do you add that information? You're gonna go to your main drawing, top left corner, left click, and I properties. Is this I property different from the I property in 3D model? Yes or no? I had it. Absolutely different. Absolutely different. All right. I properties in 3D model gives you the physical properties of your model, like your mass, your density, your volume, center of gravity, inertia, all of that stuff. This is going to more of this drawing. So part number, the company will give you that. Stock number, the engineer who did it. The designer. Go ahead, type your names. Who was the engineer, the main engineer? Well, Tima. Okay. Okay, apply. Yeah, go ahead and fill out the information. Go to summary. What's the title? Um, iPhone 15 Pro exercise number 2. I don't know, just type some stuff. Part B. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Who's the designer? Dima. Okay. Manager. Who's your manager? What's your company? If you have a company, go ahead, type in your company names there. Who knows? Maybe one day you're gonna have your own engineering company. All right. But Steam application, Steam applications. All right. Feed out this information to you, whatever you like. Typically, the company you're gonna be working for will have all of this information there for you. Just they give that to you. But it's kind of nice to know how to do it. Okay. I don't know what is there. Stylus. How many divisions? Okay. Save. All right. General. All right, friends. I think that's all you need for now. Apply. Let's see how that looks like. Theme applications. Yeah, that's fine. That is totally fine. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. I believe we are done. Am I missing anything? Alright, so what I want you to do, you're going to go ahead and finish this drawing. Add all these texts. You know, so you get the practice. And what I want you to turn in is a PDF for your classwork. It is gonna be just turn in this PDF. That's all. All right, let me put it here for a second. Pause for a second. I'll let you take a picture. Of what you're turning in. Okay. All right. I mean, that is it. That is it for today. All right. Oh, I forgot one more thing. How are you gonna? Anybody remember how to create a PDF? How to create a PDF? All right. So to create a PDF, you're gonna go to File, Export, my friend. Export PDF. Okay. And go ahead and save it on your folder. And that's it. Once you're done, just turn it in and you're good to go. That concludes exercise number 2. I will see you in next one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Comment below. I forgot to say that. Comment below. Or see me. Come see me in the lab. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. And we're gonna continue. Obviously, this was a quick refresher. We're gonna continue working on it as we progress. There are a lot of stuff we didn't look at. Okay, but I didn't want it to be too long, so let me stop talking.